Rice water makes dull or fine hair stronger and shinier, while curly hair benefit from all the elasticity it gives. Lemon peel are also a good source of vitamin C, which accelerates the synthesis of collagen and speed up the growth of your hair. Now, if this is what you want to benefit from, let us dive into the video. You will be needing half cup of any rice of your choice, half cup of a white rice. Now, I set that aside, and this is my dried lemon peel. I have them at home. Anytime I make use of a lemon, I dry the peel because I can use it as an oil or for this kind of hair treatment. And that is my jar for storing the water and an empty plate to make the mixture. Now I transferred that into the bigger bowl or bigger plate to be able to rinse it properly. So rinse the rice. Now this time you rinse the rice, not washing it too much so that you will not get part of what you should get into your water washed away. So wash it slightly to get rid of any dirt that may come with the rice, be it a dust or any other little particles that may contaminate your water or not make your water very clean. And that is what I was doing in this video. Now you want to rinse it properly and rinse that out. You can see the water, it was a little bit creamy, but not totally creamy. This is your first time in this channel, you're very much welcome. Kindly subscribe to see more real videos like this. And to my returning viewers, thank you very much for your encouragement always. And after that, the next thing to do is to transfer it into our jar where we will be storing the rice for a while. That is where we want to extract all the nutrients in the rice. Now I rinsed my dried lemon peel. I want to make sure that everything is, if not 100% clean, 99% clean. So if you want to make your rice water without any irritating smell, this is good for you. You would love the smell the lemon brings into this water. Just pour in enough water that can saturate whatever quantity you have in your bottle. You can see the water here that it is slightly cloudy. That is because I washed the rice a little more, should I say harder? But no, I did not wash all the nutrients away. So I'm going to cover that and keep away. This is the clearer view of the water. This is it. You can see it. Now, let us see how it turned out to be after a few weeks of storage. I usually prefer to store my rice water for a minimum of 2 weeks. I can go as far as 1 month, 3 weeks. And this is a rice water. After storing, I had to transfer it into this bigger jar and added more water so that I can reap much benefit from the rice. I labeled this water so that I can be able to track the process and the progress enough to know how many weeks or days I have been able to store this rice water. Thank you and God bless.